body language, facial expression with your audience. It just sounded just talking. Yes, honestly, yes. And you know the time and season we're in the world we're living in today. People's attention span. If you can't capture them within 30 seconds, you don't lose them the whole way. Am I correct? We got too many situation, things, and videos and pictures and things that are competing for our attention. That's why if you're doing something you don't get these, especially the young folks, within 30 seconds to 1 minute, you don't see how come all the videos that go viral on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook is those videos that's under 3 minutes or under 2 minutes long. It's like what kind of society we're living in that people's attention span is no longer no more than 5 minutes or less than 3 minutes. It's very sad though. It's a trend that really needs to be addressed and it needs to change because in no way you can get any kind of major life changing message or videos or life altering or transformational message. No way you can get that in under 1 minute or 3 minutes. Now somebody can use that 1 minute or 3 minutes to get your attention, to pique your interest in their messages and teachings that will drive you to go to the channel to go look for what they're saying. But even when people go to the channel after 1 or 2, 3 minutes, they get bored. All of us are guilty of that, and the society have unfortunately trained our mind. It's almost like we have become addict in the sense. If you think about it, it's like we have become addict, like addicted to the next fix, the next high, the next emotional something, the next trending video. That's why people doing all kinds of even useless things to harm themselves, harm their kids, harm their pets in the name of going viral. They probably don't mean it, but they're just doing that. I've seen some TikTok video. I'm like, what is this nonsense? I didn't know this generation was this morally depleted and morally emotionally bankrupt until I got on TikTok and I see some of the video. My heart breaks and I weep. I say, wow. I didn't know this was out there. I know this generation is messed up, but I didn't know to this capacity. When I see some of the TikTok, I say some of the TikTok videos, it's like they will do anything. And I mean literally anything for attention. Anything to go viral. Anything. We need to wake up. Society, I don't mean to preach to you, beloved, but you know me now. I'm just even talking from a place where my heart is broken and devastated of this society, the generation. Actually, this generation was it millennium, the Z, the X, whatever generation they call them. Anyway, who even wakes up and decide that you are generation X and Z and millennium and the babies boomer? Who even sat in the demonic, diabolical, global war room or the global shrines to name the generations? Who even gave them such authority? Are they God? We know who they are. Anyway, this is Dagne. Bless you, beloved.